Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you having a GMC Sierra, that generation here. If you need to find where the steering wheel controls, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them on that GMC Sierra from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain that. And if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The steering wheel control, fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain where we can find them. We'll be working on one fuse box that's hidden, but heads up guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that generation GMC Sierra. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's known as GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. Here what we guys need to do now, we need to open the passenger door. When you do that, you come to the side of the dash. You see right here, that cover is removable. You pry it open and behind it guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Let's zoom in guys a little bit so you can clearly see things, what's happening. But there will be some minor differences in the fuse boxes for year 2018. They changed a few things. Although they look almost the same, there might be some minor differences for some fuses. But specifically for the steering wheel controls, the fuse is exactly the same for both guys. Then we're talking about fuse number 15. You see that? Okay, that 2M fuse, that's the one guys, okay, that you will need to check for the steering wheel controls. You don't have guys relay, that's known as a relay fuse. The relay function practically is controlled by the BCM body control module. That's the only thing you need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.